Pretty cool. I'm like walking through nature. Yeah, so it's very nice. Gotta be careful because the stones aren't very good and not very supportive, so you do have to be quite careful. The time now is 23 minutes past 12. I can't give you the seconds to those that want the seconds as well. That's not possible. Well, it is, but no, you're not getting it. I was about to say I'm having a chill day, but I'm not. I'm having an adventurous day. This is what some of them do. They come to the national park and they do this trek. But I'm just doing it, you know, on my own. I paid 100,000 for the bike, and I had a little scoot around different places. I was wearing a helmet, don't worry. And then I went right out of the well, really the whole town. Went back in and came back in, asked these people about where I'm going, and they had a little chuckle. And they were quite young, so I kind of understood that they potentially would be slightly immature, and had a little giggle myself, and basically said, "Don't worry." No, they kind of gave me a little bit of help, and then they asked this other tall guy, and he gave me a bit more help, and from there I was all dandy. It was all good. So yeah, basically, so you need to work your way up to the viewpoint, and it said it was like 700 meters. For some reason, I do feel a bit lightheaded today. I think, like I said, it's down to the level of. I did quite a lot the last few days. Pretty awesome climbing. Hey, you're right. And this is what I'm climbing up now. Oh, it's not good. Not easy, that's what I mean. Good challenge. Oh, fat finger in the way. Not long now. I think it's more that I'm tired than, like, I mean tired in general, that I'm unable to do this. And I'm wearing the wrong, look, I'm wearing these, and they're tight. It's wrong, all wrong. It was meant to take an hour to get up, and it's taken, well, I'll check in a minute. I think it's probably 35. Worth it though. Unbelievable. Look at that view. That's worth every step.